Thank you for taking the first step to join the Yale SOM community. Applying to MBA programs can be a daunting process. There are a lot of tasks to prioritize, manage, and complete, and at times it can feel overwhelming. Our hope is that this admissions guide will provide useful insights and help make the process of applying to Yale SOM a little easier. We put a lot of thought into how our application is constructed. Our guiding principle is to only ask questions that are relevant to evaluating an applicant's candidacy, and as a result, our application tends to be shorter than many other schools. We also want to get the fullest picture of you as possible. Some of the elements we ask about will be familiar to you. For example, test scores, GMAT and GRE, and grades to get a sense of your academic background and potential, work experience, mostly through your resume, to get a sense of your professional background and potential, an essay and interview to hear directly from you about what's important to you, and letters of recommendation to hear from others who know you well about how they would describe you. These are all elements you'll find in most, if not all, other MBA applications. But we have a few application elements that are more unique to us. We ask video questions, a format we helped pioneer, as a way to get beyond the written word and hear directly from you. We've also pioneered a new behavioral assessment in conjunction with ETS that we use to gauge candidates' intra- and interpersonal skills. The goal is to get a sense of the whole person in reviewing applications and not just rely on traditional metrics like grades and test scores. Many schools assess non-cognitive skills in ways that are subjective and therefore open to bias. By using an instrument whose predictive power has been validated and that does not rely on subjective interpretation, our hope is to reduce bias in the process. At the same time, we are moving beyond traditional elements of evaluation in an effort to open the school up to increasingly diverse candidates. To this end, we have built elements of the application that look at environmental factors as one aspect of an applicant's candidacy. We also continue to offer an application fee on a sliding scale based on total annual compensation as a way to be more accessible to a greater number of individuals. Our overall goal is to leverage new technologies and new ways of looking at candidates to create an application process that is fairer, more consistent, more accessible, and open to a more diverse set of applicants. We hope this guide helps you understand our approach to the application process and how you can more effectively navigate the Yale SOM application.